Early on in my guitar making career, the carving of the guitar neck was a little intimidating. I didn't feel very confident that, even if I got one right, I wasn't sure that the next one I'd be able to get equally to the same level of comfort and playability and just overall elegance. Part of that reason was because I just didn't fully understand at that time all of the key elements that I really needed to be addressing and focusing on. And over the years, I've created a framework that I use, kind of an underlying structure that guides me through different phases. I've identified those key elements that make up the design of a beautiful, effortlessly playing, super comfortable guitar neck, and I'm confident now that I can do that every single time when I make a guitar. In this course, I'm going to be showing you that framework, the tooling, and everything else that goes into carving a beautiful guitar neck, reducing the stress, having more fun, being creative, and consistently producing a guitar neck that players love to play, and then enables them to kind of forget about it actually and move on to appreciating all of the other wonderful elements that you've built into your guitar and getting lost in creating their own beautiful music. We start with an overview of the different tools most commonly used for carving a guitar neck, which ones are my personal favorites, and I explain my approach to choosing the right tool for each phase of the guitar neck carving process. In the next section, we look deeply at the subject of designing the guitar neck. Before we can carve it, we have to have a solid foundation and understanding of what the 5 key elements are that make up a great playing and beautiful looking guitar neck. We explore those. I show my different safety checks and drawings that I do to help reduce the chance of errors and inspire confidence as I'm actually doing the carving. Now comes the really fun part. This is where we actually start carving and we start creating that beautiful design we just made in the last step. And this 3-phase system that I'm going to be showing you is really the key that brings all this together, that helps this process to be more effective and consistent, while at the same time has a lot of safeguards built into it to help reduce the chance of mistakes being made and just makes the process so much more enjoyable and creative. I'm really excited to get to share my system with you. It's the same system I use for creating all of my guitars, and I believe it's really going to help you become more confident, reduce stress, have more consistency, and make your next guitar neck the best one you've ever made. And the best part is, this course is included with a membership to the Luthier's Edge.